ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Jingtyrwa langgi kanhon menteri jong Sorkar Jylla ka balalong ha kasngi baar jong tayo ka shitarik ulber arajar arpuar. Menteri katanat kampo yeng ka Sorkar Jylla lakmen rumbui ulayatho ba wat hadin balapa aktien sya katanat jong Ministry of Home Affairs ka Sorkar Padang Halor ka Jingtyrwa yakran yasuk jong seng leno New Trap National Liberation Council kam simpat yo Jubab AA haduk mentah. Laong bahag jinglek banyak kendu yaki he jong ka MHA Halor ki kam kaput. Menteri rambak ke Jylla Konrad Ksiang besuk ru ya kene kamat kebayadai bat ke HNLC kenang bo onla ban pendep no kloilan. Watlak Sorkar Jylla kalapha ya ki kerteng jong ki Ksiang ki bandon bentah ke jingekren syaga MHA. Nrai kamsim lakwa satia ban penpau mentah namar bakani ke phang ke don hapo ke jingkmi jong ke Sorkar Padang. Habakali lakan don em ke jing sange yakun Padang ke seng leno HNLC bat ke Sorkar Jylla. Menteri ki kampo yeng ke Jylla laong bayaman tahi umpat la banong AA namar kajing ya penbait kadang ya syakmat.
We have written to the Home Ministry and asked to Home Ministry that given the name, and we have not get back from the Ministry as of now. And as you know that the Honorable Chief Minister will go and meet on the border issue with the Home Ministry. I think side by side he will take up this issue also so that the matter could be taken at the earliest. We have sent the name. You will see when it comes up. I didn't want to discuss as of now. So since the matter is with the central government, we will discuss at appropriate time. We have sent the name which we thought that it is acceptable to both the central government and the state government. Let this process finish, and after that then we will see what is to be done. Let this first step, we want this first step to be moved as fast as possible from the government, so let this first step completed, then only we will do all the nitty-gritty afterwards. See, once we have appointed, then the HNLC can directly contact with this person, whoever may be appointed. Then the nitty-gritty of that talk will be known after that. So as of now, it's too premature for me to say anything on before the appointment of the person concerned. There is no report with me right now, but the police is alive to the situation and to deal in all eventualities. Having said that, we from the government, we are serious, and I hope that the group will realize that we cannot, when the process of talk is on, so all these activities should stop immediately.